Hey guys, what's up? It's us.
So today we decided to have a guest review a book requested by you guys.
Since we couldn't read it, we thought that this was the best idea to have someone review it for us. So I'm excited to see how this goes.
Welcome to you, me, and books.
So after you watch this, don't forget
Like, share, subscribe.
and turn on those post notifications for more such reviews.
Hi, my name is Chitra Nair and I'm from Vadodara, Gujarat, and I'm doing my MSc in cell and molecular biology. I love reading books, so me and some of my friends we have started a book club called Ship of Euphues, in which we discuss books on different topics, and we have a lot of interesting discussions in our meetings regarding very diverse topics, and we express our opinions on the current situations as well. So if you want updates regarding the meetings of Ship of Euphues, please follow it on Instagram. Today I'm going to review a book called Immortals of Meluha. It's written by Amish Tripathi. This book is a mythological thriller and it's set in 1900 BC. The main character of the whole book is Shiva, and he's part of the Guna tribe in Tibet, and he's seen as a savior by Suryavanshis, who are residents of a city called Meluha. Shiva is taken in as an immigrant, and they want him to save them from the battle between Suryavanshis and Chandravanshis, uh, which is very similar to how Devas and Asuras have fought in the mythological stories. And they fight over Somras, for which the major ingredient is the holy waters of Saraswati, which is soon drying up in extinction. Shiva is taken in as an immigrant, and he is surprised by the different technological advances that he sees in the city. How the architecture of Meluha is described in the books is very similar to the Indus Valley civilization. So Amish Tripathi has taken up and he's researched in terms of mythology, stories regarding the whole characters, as well as how Indus Valley civilization is written in history books. A lot of similarities can be seen while reading the book as well. The whole list of characters of the book are also very similar. We have Shiva, we have Sati, who is seen as the wife of Shiva, Kali as sister of Sati, Nandi as the colleague of Shiva. So a lot of characters are taken directly from the mythological stories and then woven into a fictional story. I read this book when I was 14 or 15, so I did enjoy certain parts of, for example, the advances that his Amish Tripathi has included in these stories. As I said, the taps and the soaps in the bathrooms, and the house, how they're built, and the roads that they have in the kingdom, all of which are pretty advanced considering it's set in 1900 BC, as well as the caste system that they follow there, as contrary to how we have our Indian caste system, where you carry forward the caste in which you are born. So as contrary to that, they have Mica system, which is where when children are born, they're put into a nursery where they're educated and groomed, and at certain age they are told to give in a test, according to which they are put into different castes, which are their jobs, which is comparatively fair than what we have in the caste system that we have now. And a lot of situations, a lot of scenes in the book are also feminist. A lot of female parts, like characters and occupations, can be seen in the courts of the system of the kingdom, which is not usually seen in a lot of mythological books, like a fiction derived from mythological stories, which was very different and new for me at that age. So it's not very hard to go through. You can really pace through the whole book. It's written in very simple English, and the storytelling is very smooth. So I think uh, 13 plus, 14 plus children can read this book. People who don't are not actually in the habit of reading frequently, it's easy for them to read the book. It's a short book, it's not too long as well, so it's easy to read. So I think when I first read it, I really found it very interesting. So I think at that time I would have rated it 4.5. But now, after reading a lot of books, if I would have reread the book, I think it would be a 3 out of 5 stars. So do pick up this book, Immortals of Meluha by Amish Tripathi. Thank you.